Hey everyone, my name is Jenna Garcia, and this is my vulnerable populations, and I did mine in bullying. This is the summary. Bullying is a widespread issue that affects students' mental health, ability to learn, and safety. State laws require schools to act. Every state has laws or policies addressing bullying. Many laws include protections against harassment based on race, disability, religion, and other characteristics. Schools must investigate reports and take steps to stop bullying. They are also responsible for maintaining a safe environment, sometimes even online behavior off campus. Students with disabilities are at higher risk because they are more likely to be bullied than other students, which leads to poor academic performance and can even cause emotional distress. When bullying is based on a disability, it may even be illegal under federal laws like ADA, Section 504, or IDEA. Schools have legal responsibilities when bullying occurs. Investigate incidents promptly, protect the targeted student, stop the bullying and prevent it from continuing, ensure the child has equal access to education. Bullying affects the entire school community, not just the target, but also bystanders, the school environment, and those who bully. Education, empathy, and support systems matter. Teaching empathy can reduce bullying behavior. Schools should promote inclusion and respect. Families and admin should work together to address bullying. Different groups have roles in stopping bullying. Targets should speak up, seek help, and stay safe. Bystanders should report bullying, support the victim, and never participate. Students who bully should learn empathy and healthier behaviors. Family and adults should listen, respond, and create a supportive environment. A new concept or idea that stood out for me was that bullying, let me move myself, was that bullying can become a legal civil rights issue, especially for students with disabilities. This concept stood out to me because I never realized before that bullying someone because of a disability isn't just seen as bad behavior, but it can actually be considered illegal harassment under laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, and Section 504. That means schools are not just supposed to step in, but they are legally required to take it seriously to stop it and make sure that the student is still able to learn without being affected. This really changes how bullying is viewed. It's not just a discipline problem, but in some cases, it's a violation of a student's right. Another concept slash idea that stood out to me is that bullying can start as early as preschool. I used to think of bullying as something that happens in later grades, but young children can show behaviors like exclusion, teasing, or being physically aggressive towards certain children. This highlights how important it is to teach empathy, social skills, and kindness at a very early age. What policies at the school, state, or federal level can be enacted? At school, schools can implement clear anti-bullying programs that specifically address disability-based harassment. This could include training staff on how to recognize and respond to bullying, as well as ways to create a safe environment for students to report incidents. State laws could require more consistent enforcement of anti-bullying policies across districts. States would also mandate data collection on bullying incidents involving students with disabilities to better understand the scope of the problem and improve accountability. Federal, a stronger enforcement of existing laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act, the ADA, and Section 504 could help ensure that schools take bullying seriously. Additional funding could also be provided for prevention programs, family support services, and mental health services.